Hi everyone, it's Cain here. Welcome to my video. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys my plumbing situation. Now, I just picked up one of these funnels at AutoZone. What it is just a regular funnel, but it has a really long plastic spout to it that goes all the way down. Now my truck, if you can see, has a hole in the side here. So it fits just perfect for this plastic part to go all the way down. Now, one problem I have had was filling up my bucket with water if I'm washing my face, brushing my teeth, and having to dump the water outside. And you know, people watch me, people look at me, and I don't want that. So I got one of these things, and I could pour the water in there, and it could just drip on the bottom of the truck without no one knowing. I'll give you an example. Got some water here. I'll just pour the water in there. Obviously, it won't be in this cup. Still haven't figured out the whole situation, but I have this cup as of now to... Why isn't my camera not focusing? There we go. Just to scoop some of the water, if there's a lot of water in there, and pour it. And if there's just a little bit where the cup can't get, I'll just get the whole bucket and dump it in there. But yeah, let's go see where it dripped. All right, as you can see, it drips on the side right here. I'll try to show you real quick. You guys probably can't see because I can't see it. Ugh. Where'd that thing go? Oh, it's in there. You guys probably can't see it, but the tube's down there. There it is. Yeah, the tube drips the water down there. So I don't have to get out, open the topper, and dump the bucket of water, because that's pretty awkward. So yeah, that's my current plumbing situation. Little funnel was only $1. Well, it was $2. All right, well, just giving you guys some tips. Hope you guys enjoyed. All right, guys. Well, leave a comment. Tell me, guys, if you guys got any tricks. If you guys are fellow nomads, what you guys do about the plumbing situation and all that sort. All right. Well, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, and I thank you for watching.